Okay, here we go. We are going to start this video off by showing y'all some panel making for my doors. I have a limited amount of time. So hardest part is choosing what you're going to put forth, making the doors, what's going to be the ugliest and what's not going to be the ugliest. So I've kind of decided, I think I'm going to do that. It's going to give me a little bit of everything in each side. I don't have clear all the way through. Okay, anyway, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to rip these joints here on the table saw. We're going to get them flush. If I can get them good enough, I'm just going to go ahead and glue them after I saw them. If not, need be, I am going to go ahead and use my hand joiner, and we're going to joint these boards to get a good clean edge. Okay. Alright, first thing that we want to do is use this handy dandy meter right here. This is a digital angle gauge. This thing is a lifesaver. It's wonderful. I'm going to zero it out. We are going to raise our saw blade. See if it's still zeroed. Still zeroed. Then we are going to dial it on our saw blade. And we are going to see where we're at. We're at 89 point. Now if I can get it moving forward. 89.2, which is not square. So let's dial this baby in. I'm going to unlock it. Pull it over. We are going to barely turn it. Ooh. And now I'm going to lock the blade. Beautiful, 90. Okay. Now it's time to dial in our fence. I'm trying to see if I can't get a clear shot, and it's not letting me. The best advice that I can give anybody about doing work on a table saw is to use the same tape measure every single time for every single cut. Use a good sharp saw blade. Sorry if the noise is getting louder. I'm talking right into the mic. Alright, we're going to tighten it down. We're ripping these down to exactly 7 inches. These are about 7. Not even a 16th. It's just right over 7. We're going to rip these babies down. Safety first. Alright. Now that the boards are ripped, you can see that there is still a hairline gap, giving you an idea how wide it is per my finger. I mean, it's really not that bad. I've actually jointed together worse boards without actually joining them. The table saw blade that I used was a 60 something tooth fine cut. It's not as fine as I'd like it. I really don't have a glue edge saw blade. I'd like to have one, but they're too expensive. Okay, next thing that we're going to be doing the glue up. Get everything out and to get to work. Cutting of the wood. You can see I'm trying to figure out which sides were cut, which sides aren't. It's good to keep in mind and keep it relatively simple to keep your edges that you have cut together. Now I keep fiddling with these and it's making this take a long time. But as you can see, I've already started to glue up. I'm using 2 clamps. I'm going to apply glue to both edges, pull them together,